All right, we're going to take a look at this line and we're going to try to describe it using something called slope. Slope is what we would describe as the rise over the run or the steepness of a line. Now, lines can also be positive or negative depending on if they are rising up, okay, so going like that, or if they're coming down like this. And that's going to represent if it is a positive or a negative slope. So let's look at the solving for the slope in the line given here. It's line B. You're given 2 points there. One of them is at -1, -2, and the other one is at 4, -4. The rise and the run are very important that we look at of this. And I'm going to start with the run. And the run happens to be the horizontal distance between any 2 points on this line. So here is the horizontal distance from -1 up to +4, and that has a horizontal distance of 5. Okay, so that would be our run. Okay, if you want to think of run, we always run on flat ground, right? Or you run kind of in mostly flat. Okay, so you run horizontally, and that's where we can think of the horizontal. The rise, okay, going up and down, okay, that's rise, is going to be how much is it going up or down. And in this case, from point on the left to point on the right, it is going down, which means that instead of having a rise, we have a drop. And we're going to represent that with a negative number. And so our rise here is -2, which means that we have a rise of -2, so a drop, over a run of 5. The run, as long as you go left to right, will always be positive. The rise is going to depend on if we're going up or down from there as to whether it is positive or not. When we put this back into our little equation or our form, we're going to get a slope of -2/5, which isn't a super big number, but it is a negative number, which means that our slope is going down. Okay, it's not super steep, but it is going down, and that's something that's very important to take a look at. I hope this video has helped you, and all the best as you work through the problems that you've been given.